Good morning. I'm getting ready to have a hot tea and I'm going to add some saffron. Saffron, as you may or may not know, has incredible medicinal properties. This saffron is the highest quality, longest threads that we've ever come across. This comes from Spain. Chef Depot has an exclusive packaging on the saffron and great prices, probably the lowest prices you can find on the internet. This one also comes from Spain. It's just a little gift foil pack. Some people prefer the foil pack. These are all sealed. These are exactly 1 ounce, really high quality saffron. So I'm going to brew a little tea, and I'm using this white peony tea here and a little tea infuser. I'll be right back. Okay, tea and infuser go in the cup. A little bit of boiling hot water. I love these automatic kettles, by the way. Really nice. Just give it a little swirl. Wait about, 15 to 30 seconds. I just want to extract some of the tea flavors. And I have this saffron maybe once a week. It's really good for you. If you're working in a restaurant or food service establishment, you ought to pick some up. Great for household use too. You can share this. This is probably a couple hundred servings in here. But you can share this tea. You can share this saffron with all kinds of people in your family. This right here is enough to make sauce, say with steamed mussels with a saffron cream sauce or something like that. Paella. This is enough for 6 people easily. The thing I like to do is add a pinch of saffron and let it steep. It only takes a few seconds. That's enough for a good healthy serving. And I want you to see, I'm going to zoom in, I want you to see how much color is released so quickly. It's amazing. Look at all that color that's coming off that saffron. Kind of floats, some of it settles down to the bottom, but wow, massive yellow coloring. So the last thing I like to do for all my tea is always add a little bit of honey. So we're going to put a generous amount of honey right here and stir it up. And sometimes I cool it off, a little ice cube or a little cold water. But that's it. Saffron tea. The healing properties, the medicinal properties are amazing. Really, really good for you. Fights cancer. Good for your immune system, circulation, all kinds of things like that. Anyway, wanted to show that to you, and you need to experience this because just the smell and the flavor of this saffron is unbelievable. And when you combine it in something like a nice tea, it really energizes you. Wow, that is serious saffron tea. Check it out. It's all in stock. ChefDepot.com. Have a great day. This is a 1 ounce can of saffron. Premium Ultra Select grade. This is a gift box 1 ounce can of saffron. They're both in stock, ready to go. They come sealed. Open the seal here. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, a little gift bag. Yeah, wow, I can smell it from here. Look at the length of those threads in there. We're going to open this up and show it to you here. Show you just how nice this stuff is. It's Ultra Select. It takes thousands and thousands of flowers, all hand-picked, to get this saffron. There you go. Wow, look at that. I'll put a little bit over here on the plate for you. Wow, so strong. You can see just how nice those saffron threads are. They're really long and they're fat, and that's what you're looking for when you buy saffron. Of course, it's the smell, it's the flavor, and you want the strong color, but wow, this is really, really good stuff. to reconstitute saffron, simply take a small amount, what you're going to use. This is only enough for, you know, one serving. Add a tiny bit of hot water or stock. Chicken stock works. We're going to put just a little bit of water in there. Okay, you can see the color. This is important. Strong saffron is going to let off a lot of pure yellow color, as well as an incredible flavor. So you can see that, how nice it is, and the color. And I can tell you, just by tasting this saffron and smelling it, you're enjoying the full flavor and the body of this high quality spice. Check it out. It's in stock. This is after only a few seconds. Look at that color. Nice long threads, dark, rich color and flavor. It's incredible in paella. It's good with rice. You can have it in soup. It's very good health benefits, good for you. All these spices are in stock. Herbs, pots, pans, tongs, ladles, stainless steel tables, baby tongs like this, everything a chef could want. Butcher blocks, knife sharpeners, garnishing tools, all in stock.